sun has just come up early in the morning, and you can see my beautiful young children from Markham. I've got up early in the morning coming over here to see the view of Markham. Good morning everyone. Hi. Good morning Baba. Yeah, lovely kids. It's a beautiful morning, beautiful Markham. Behind me is the rolling hills of Markham. So friends, I have come in the wrong place, thinking that I'll be able to shoot, but it's very windy. So let me go that side, on the left hand side, look for a different view. See, nature is so beautiful, blissful. A year I used to come over here more than 7-8 times, and this is the correct season to visit, because before the greenery is over, it's very windy. I have to see whether it is audible or not, because I don't have a proper mic. So as you see down there, there's a fish pond also. You can see the pre-winter flowers over here in Markham. White color, the pink. Chalo dosto, let me take you, show you these beautiful flowers that will lead to the view of this beautiful Markham. Wow, so it goes like this. Markham is more unique, more beautiful. You know, there over here you can see many viewpoints, and whenever I come, nobody disturbs me, unlike few of the beautiful places in Meghalaya where you don't have a place to put on your tripod also. But here I'm free. Of course there are many people over here, but right now, since there are many places, many viewpoints, so nobody disturb you. You can do whatever you like, on a sense like whatever you want to shoot, you can shoot. Nobody is there to disturb you. Beautiful morning. Welcome to Markham. I've come down to the fish ponds. There are 2 fish ponds over here, and let's cross these ponds and go to the other side of the hill so that I might get a different view. So nothing to regret. It's a beautiful place. Markham is so beautiful. But then over here there's no way to go down. Hey Kublai Baro, how are you doing? You're from here? Oh, I'm a YouTuber. You'll be on my channel. Is it okay? You all right? Okay. So beautiful people, beautiful kids. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Katang you? Oh, Bobak, nice meeting. Hero from Markham. I came across one hero from Markham. Thanks for you know, being so friendly. Okay. Beautiful people. Yes. Innocent people over here. Love it. Love them so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I go down. Finally I've come across the village kids and the village girls and the boys, where I have taken their consent to include their videos in my YouTube channel. I thank them so much. They're very friendly, very good people over here. I'm very happy. So friends, Let's go down some more and have a closer look of this beautiful Markham. The rolling hills of eastern West Khasi Hills. The beautiful Markham of eastern West Khasi Hills. I'm fallen in love with this beautiful place. So come with me. Let's go further from a different perspective, from a different. Here I have come up to the last viewpoint from the hill. I've come down from there where the sun is breaking up. From there I've come down, crossing 2-3 mountains, and now the view will be different. It will be more amazing to see. Chalo dosto, let's wait and see as the fog is clearing up slowly. So let's enjoy the view of this beautiful place, Markham. Chalo, stay tuned, let's watch. There's a road, Paka road over there. So as you can see this small road from there coming from Markham, then there, over there this will go down towards Diwa also. Otherwise from here you can go till Nongspong. From Nongspong you can come back to Soyong, then you can come back to. I'm still waiting for the clearing up of the fog so that I can see the village. As I told you, there's a village, small village down there which is called Diwa village. So let's wait for some time. I've come down from right on top of that hill. I've crossed the first one, the second, the third. Below that there is a fish pond. From there I have come down this way. So let me show you the hillscapes. Now this is the way I have to climb back where I have parked my car. So friends, I'm on the way towards Diwa village. Right down there below the horizon is the village which is called Diwa, and I was on top shooting. Everything has cleared up now. You can see the landscape of rolling hills of Markham without any fog. Here it is. And this road will take you till Diwa and beyond, Diwa village and beyond, where it will take you to Soyong, Nong Spung. Then you can come back to Soyong and then towards Maungap and then back to Silong. That I can do, but then I wouldn't go this side, this way. So before I wind up, I'm just showing you the entire landscape of this Markham, clear view of Markham. Here it is. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share, and please subscribe. Thank you so much everyone. Kublai Sibun. Dhanyawad.